Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jamie. I am the owner of Not Too Shabby. We are a company that sells lots of card making supplies from all your favorite companies. We also have our own line of stamps under Not Too Shabby, so I'd love for you to check it out. This is one of our new stamp sets. It's called Sprinkled with Love. And I'm going to make a card today. I'll play some music during the coloring. If you would like to check out the inspiration hub for all three stamp sets, I'll have the link in the description box for you. There's some wonderful cards. You'll get lots of ideas. You can pre-order our Valentine's Day box that includes all three stamp sets, 2 paper pads, 2 sticker packs, 1 ephemera pack, and a free gift. This box will start shipping on Monday. Grab yours. There are limited quantities on the boxes. Once those boxes are gone, they will be gone for good. All the items will go on sale individually starting on January 11th at 9 a.m. Central Time. We're going to make a slimline card today, and I'm going to do some simple masking. I've stamped out the images that I want in front, and now I'm going to create a mask, and I'm using just some post-it note paper that has the full adhesive on the back. So I'll cut out a mask and cover up my stamped images with that. So now I want my cupcake to be behind the cookies, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on top of my mask. Today I'm using the Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm using my handy dandy ink navigator kit there to ink up my images. So I like to ink up my images twice. It gives it a nice dark impression. So now I'm grabbing my sentiment, and the sentiment reads, "I love cookies and cupcakes, but nothing's sweeter than you." So I really like that sentiment. I am such a cookie monster. But I did quit sugar for I think it was a year and a half straight, no sugar. But yeah, I fell off the bandwagon. I gotta get back on it. I decided to add one more cookie to this scene here, so I'm just gonna leave that mask on and stamp the other cookie. It'll look like it's behind the other one, and then we'll get to the coloring. I'm gonna play some music so you can watch the coloring, and I will catch you on the other side. For my highlights here, I made sure I kept the highlights thin and light. I really think it makes the image pop. And now I'm just going to create a little shadow underneath my image here so the cookies and cupcakes aren't floating in the air. So this grounds them. And I'm just using my warm grays. So I'll probably use the W5, W3, W1, and W0. Those are my go-to gray shadows. So when I'm finished with this card, I top it off with some sequins, some red sequins, because I wanted this card to have just a pop of red throughout. So I did that with the sprinkles and the sequins, and I thought it turned out super, super cute. I just matted it on a white folding card base. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.